Yeah.
Your name is?
My name is Jesper.
Barbara.
Yes.
And these are the first hikers I have actually seen in 5 days. And I imagine when I'm hitting the coast now, I'll see a lot more people. So I think the Fisherman's Trail is a lot more popular than the historical way. Is that what you've been doing, the Fisherman's Trail?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
There you go. And these guys are from Denmark.
Yes. And
From Italy.
In Italy. Ah, perfect. Obrigado.
Obrigada.
all right. Nice to meet you, man.
And you.
Bye.
Morning. It's New Year's Eve, and this is where I leave the historical way. I'm going to go and get a buzz in a minute, and then we're heading off to Porto Covo, where we will start the Fisherman's Trail, and that's the coastal route, which will then bring us back to here in, I don't know, 4 or 5 days time. We'll see how we get on, eh? So right, I'll have to walk back up there. That's where the bus stop is, and I'll see you in Porto Covo. I've arrived in Porto Covo. Just going to see if I can grab a coffee, and then we're going to hit the trail. So we're now here in Porto Covo, and we're going to make our way down towards Vila Milfontes. Don't think I'll be able to get there today, but we'll see. There's campsite there. I've just passed it. We came through it on the bus, but that's about 15 mile, but it's already dinner time, so we'll see how we get on. If not, we'll see if we can find a little wild camp spot on the way through. Alright, let's go and grab a coffee. That dog watched me fill my water bottle up. I flew straight over to get some water out of the bottom where it spilt over. So I'll just turn the tap on again for it. Right, I'm good to go. Just got to try and find a start. I think it's down here. It's about 5 hours to get to Vila Milfontes or something like that. It's just 12 o'clock. So if sunset is how it's been, 6 o'clock would be dark. Should get there in time. If not, I'll camp just somewhere short of it. It's a bit more breezy. I'm assuming down here, around there, and up onto the coast. Not seeing an exact start, but it says I'm on it. The people are so friendly here. I'm just ambling around trying to find the exact start. Whew, out of breath, there's a big steep hill there. I was just ambling around trying to find the exact start. And his bloke said, "You need help?" "Oh yeah." And I told him I was looking for the start point. He went, told him where it was, had a chat. Apparently he's done the Fisherman's Trail a couple of times with himself. So yeah, he wished me good luck. So this is where it all starts. There's no actual sign there. I'm just going to walk down here a bit. Looks like there's some signs here might tell us where we are, where we're going, stuff like that. We'll come in here, don't think so. Right, so basically I just wandered around for half an hour for nothing. Right, let's crack on guys. Let's get to Vila Milfontes. This is where the historical way and the Fisherman's Trail split. Because on the historical way there's some various routes you can take following the red and white markers. But for now on for a while we'll be following the blue and green. How many days? Who knows? Run away! The things you have to do. Jesus. Walk along the beach till you reach Isla do Pessegueiro for trees. Speak any English? No. Fisherman on the Fisherman's Trail. May I? Obrigado. There you go, Bill. You'd have to come in and do some sketching. Yeah, we're just inland a little bit. So I'm not sure what the audio is going to be like when I'm along the coastline. So yeah, it's been awesome so far. I've been walking about 4 miles. The weather's beautiful. Follow the sand track that skirts the sand dunes till you find the next trail sign. 2 kilometers. But if the last 4 miles is anything to go by, we're going to be in for a treat. There's a cross on that one, look. Route marking again is really good. You just have to be, just have to keep your eye out for the markers. Because on this first section there's lots of little tracks shooting off everywhere. It's stunning there. There's some toilets here, but they're all locked up. I was hoping I might be able to get a bit more water. There you go. Look at that. Just look at that. About 10 miles in. I don't think I'm too sure. Milfontes. I've been looking for a camp spot for the last hour. Not really found anything really. I'm going to keep walking. If anything appears, I'm going to stop. But if not, I'm going to keep going into Milfontes and go to that campsite. Did I just say it was awesome? There's a ferry boat that takes you around there to save you walking all around the road bit. But I've just found a campsite at Milfontes. And I'm going to stay there tonight. About half an hour's walk, just up this road. What a cracking afternoon. Absolutely awesome, I tell you. Right, I'll wrap it up for now. barbecue, and then catch you up when I get to the campsite, if not in the morning, for day 6 of the Rota Vicentina. Yeah, just a quick one. I just phoned the campsite and I said, you speak English? She went, yes, I speak English. So I said, I'm walking the Rota Vicentina. Is there any chance I can camp at your campsite tonight? Just a small tent. And she went, I'm sorry, I don't understand the word you're saying. I went, oh God, here we go. But we got there, I can camp. Right, finally here, camping Milfontes. Just checked in, €8.50 for the night. I could stop till 7 o'clock tomorrow if I want to. But like I say, it's New Year's Eve, so probably better off here tonight. Might see some fireworks. And she said, just camp anywhere. So like, first spot I've come to, I'm in it. I can go and plan the fun fair in the morning if I want. Toilets just there. It looks like there's some sort of bar area there. It looks shut. We'll check out the food in a bit. Right, see you in the morning, guys.
You and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors.